Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick and easy tutorial that many of you have been asking for. We'll show you how to change your name on YouTube using your mobile device. It's simple and easy, so let's get started. After opening YouTube app on your mobile, click here. Now tap on this icon. After that, click here. Now edit your name and click Save. In this way you can easily change your name on YouTube on mobile. And there you have it, folks. Changing your name on YouTube using your mobile device is as easy as pie. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome YouTube tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Our community and I will be more than happy to help you out.